Hello and welcome. In today's video where I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp account on your phone in just a few quick and easy steps. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. If prompted, tap Agree and continue to accept the terms and conditions. Now, select your country first. Then enter your phone number. Make sure it's correct, then tap Next. You will see a confirmation message. Tap Yes to confirm your number. WhatsApp will send a verification code via SMS. Once received, enter the code in the app. Typically this happens automatically, so you may not need to type it. Once verified, allow WhatsApp to access features like contacts, photos, and media. Next, type your name and, if you like, add a profile picture. Then tap Next. Here you can add an email for extra security. I'll skip this step for now. And that's it. Your WhatsApp account is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.